Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Lucidchart for floor plan. To begin, open Lucidchart and go to your Documents area. This is the main workspace where your files and diagrams are stored, and it's the best place to start when creating a new floor plan. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct folder or home view so your new file is easy to locate later. Next, click on New. This opens the options for starting a fresh diagram. Since Lucidchart offers several ways to create a document, choosing New is the first step toward finding a layout that already includes useful structure and design elements. From the menu that appears, select Create from Template. Using a template can save time and make the process much easier, especially if you're building a floor plan and want a ready-made starting point. Templates are helpful because they often include walls, furniture, room layouts, and formatting that you can customize instead of creating everything from scratch. Once the template library opens, type floor plan into the search bar. This will narrow the results and help you quickly find layouts specifically designed for room arrangements, home layouts, office spaces, or similar planning needs. Be sure to spell the search clearly so the most relevant templates appear. After the search results load, click on the sample floor plan template. This gives you a preview of the layout and lets you choose a design that fits the kind of floor plan you want to make. If you're new to Lucidchart, starting with a sample is a great choice because it helps you understand how the elements are organized and how editable components are placed on the canvas. Then, click Use Template. Lucidchart will open the selected sample as a new editable document. At this stage, the template becomes your working file, so you can begin adjusting it to match your own space or project requirements. From here, follow the on-screen procedure to edit the floor plan. Depending on the template, you may be able to click directly on rooms, labels, walls, or furniture items to modify them. You can usually resize shapes, move objects, update text, and adjust the layout so it better reflects your intended design. Take your time during this part and use the visual guides on the screen to help keep everything aligned and organized. As you make changes, it's a good idea to review the plan for accuracy and clarity. This helps ensure your final layout is both useful and easy to understand. That's it. You've now opened a floor plan template in Lucidchart and started customizing it for your needs.